वेलकम टू एक्सपर्ट स्टेनो अकेडमी। एक्सपर्ट स्टेनो अकेडमी में आप सभी का बहुत स्वागत है। लास्ट क्लास में हमने की थी प्रैक्टिस एक्सरसाइज की डिक्टेशन, जो स्पेशल कंट्रैक्शन कंसेप्ट से रिलेटेड थी। आज इस क्लास में हम स्टेनो पेपर बीकॉम पार्ट थर्ड 1996 का जो बिजनेस एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन का था, इंग्लिश स्टेनो का पेपर की डिक्टेशन लिखेंगे। इसमें 350 वर्ड्स रहेंगे। टाइम आपको 5 मिनट्स अलाउ किया जाएगा। इसकी स्पीड अप्रोक्सीमेटली 70 वर्ड्स पर मिनट रहेगी। So get ready for dictation. 5 seconds. Start. I want to talk for a little while this week about shorthand writing. Full stop. How many words a minute can you write at present? Question mark. How many words a minute would you like to be able to write? Question mark. Are you taking any steps to increase your present rate of writing? Question mark. I think that there are very few of us who do not feel that we would like to be able to write more quickly, whether we can take down good shorthand notes at 50 words a minute or more. Full stop. There is always present a desire to add 10, 20 or 50 words to our rate of writing. Full stop. I think it is probably right to say that very few people ever reach the highest rate with accuracy. Full stop. I believe that most stenographers could write with a little training and effort under the guidance of perfect and experienced tutor. Full stop. What rate of writing is required to meet the needs of most offices. Full stop. Often you will find the answer 80 words or 100 words a minute is enough for the competitions. Full stop. But experience has shown that in many offices you must continue your training until you write at the rate 120 words a minute. Full stop. Please make up your mind to spare some time in a week to perfect your knowledge and to increase rate of writing. Full stop. You will not find it a waste of time. Full stop. The good situations are given to those who can do better. Full stop. You will find happiness when appreciation comes. Full stop. Always keep smiling on your face and always try to perform your best while going into an office. Full stop. तो ये थी बिजनेस एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन के पेपर की डिक्टेशन। इसकी आपने 4 to 5 टाइम्स प्रैक्टिस करनी है, तभी आपकी स्पीड धीरे धीरे इंक्रीज होएगी। आज की इस क्लास में इतना ही। वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब आप जरूर कीजिए, इससे हमें मोटिवेशन मिलता है। थैंक यू सो मच।